Hi beautiful people. I am again here with an informative video. Today I have to summarize long topic in just 6 to 7 minutes so that you people not get bored. So let's get started. Our topic is how to create YouTube channel. But first have a look how much you can earn from a YouTube channel. So here you can see a rough estimate. So, the average YouTube channel can receive around $18 per 1,000 ad views, which equals around $3 to $5 per video view, according to data I can give you estimate about earning on one view. So you people can see. This is actually an emerging business in which you need no investment and you can earn a lot. Now the question is how to make a YouTube channel. First open your Chrome browser and then open YouTube. Here you can see I have created a channel by just one click, but I didn't do any settings so that I can show you clearly about every aspect. First of all, you can see a lot of options, but I am going to click on your channel. Okay, so it is opened. If you want to upload any video, just you need is to upload a video by clicking on create. You have 3 options and you can select one of them. Now see this pencil sign. When I clicked on this, see we have general settings for channel like name, handle, link, and even you can add description about your channel. A little but comprehensive about your video. Okay, so it's done. Now here you can see option of privacy. You just need to turn on this. Here we have some general settings too. In history and privacy, you can save changes according to choice. Here is a new feature. You can connect channel to your computer or any device. Now I click the option named as Analytics. Here you can see channel progress on weekly and monthly basis. You can have a look of total views on channel, how many people subscribed to how much time they spent while watching videos. If you want to know about more settings and more information of analytics, you can download an app named as YT Studio from Play Store. When we click on more information, we have a lot options of sort out. Visibility and views. You can select here whether the video should be public or scheduled. Yeah, you can apply restrictions too. Here, this is the most important page of monetization. If you want to earn money and run ads, your channel should join YouTube Partner Program by qualifying its requirements, 4,000 watch hours plus 1,000 subscribers, then you attach approved AdSense. Then you apply. The YouTube team review and approve if it is all okay. Then you receive money simply from YouTube, the basic of your daily views. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, ask freely in comment section. See you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.